Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Carla. Thank you so much for stopping by today. In today's video, we're doing a quick cleanup. This was after dinner. As you can see, I have not made my bed this day. My husband and stepdaughter were out on the jet ski, so I knew I had a good 30 minutes to work. I had a 12-hour shift the next day, so I wanted to make sure that I didn't leave anything for my husband and the kids to do, just because I know the kids have school and then my husband, he's doing stuff around the house. So I went ahead and tidied up just a little bit so that way they had nothing to do the following day. Alright guys, I had to pause for just a second. So my birthday was yesterday. Today is Monday, so my birthday was on Sunday the 3rd. Because I'm not sure when I will be posting this video, but my birthday was May 3rd. And here's some cards that I got. And then this is my husband's. This is what he gave me. And then the kids made a card. Thought it was super cute. But then I also want to come over here, and so today's Monday. My husband said that the gift that he got for me was coming in Monday, so this is what he got me. I am super excited. I have been wanting one forever because my MacBook here, I've had this for going on 5 years, and I just can't work out of this anymore. So yeah, he went ahead and got me this. I have been begging him for one, or begging to have one, and he's not a fan of Apple. He'd rather have an HP, I guess, but I'm used to this now. He actually was the one that introduced me to this one right here. And then my son also has one. Actually, my son has my husband's old one that he just didn't want anymore because he just doesn't like Apple anymore. But my son has that one, and then I got me this one 5 years ago, and then he got me this one. This one came in the mail today, and you can't see, but right now we're transferring everything over from here to here. But I just wanted to kind of show you really quick. I'm super excited. Can't wait to get started with this. And then over here really quick, we went to Home Depot the other day. They had a big clearance. Actually, this wasn't like in a clearance section. It was just in the aisle, and it was marked down. These are stackable wire baskets. They were marked down from, I think, $18 to like $4. And I grabbed 3 of them. So I'm excited. I think they work. They say they're stackable, so I'm assuming this little flap on the side turns inward, and then you just stack this on top. I'm thinking of maybe under the sink and put the sponges, maybe my cloths, or maybe I might put this in the bathroom. I'm not sure what to do, but they were on sale for $4, so I just wanted to go ahead and grab them. And now let's get back to the cleaning. Alright guys, so I kept hearing scratching at the door, and that was RJ. He belongs to my in-laws downstairs. Every single time he wants to come inside, he's always scratching either the front door or at the back of the porch. Either way, he knows that he is going to be let in the house by one of us upstairs. I guess they don't let him in the house when he wants to downstairs, so he always comes scratching at our door to get in, and then he'll go downstairs.
saw you smile.
Alright guys, and that is it for this a quick clean with me. It was super short. It only took me about 45 minutes. I know it's dark outside, but trust me, I did not work into the night. It just gets really dark really fast, I guess. I don't know. But I wanted to show you the box where the iMac came in. It looks like it's so huge. It's a 27-inch, I think is what he got me. But it looks like a cake box. It looks so funny. But anyways, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason